Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you. Pattern, PIN or password. Now you get to create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Following that, you can tap on one of those options to decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so when I tap, I can click on Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!